everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in this video, I'm going to share how to make Zha Jiang Mian. And I haven't had this for a long time. I don't remember when was the last time I had it. So in this video, I'm going to make it for dinner. So those are the ingredients: ground beef and the noodles. This is the Chinese style noodles. It's wife's noodles. And I'm using the special sauce to cook it. This special sauce is Zha Jiang Mian sauce, and I got this at the Chinese market. I will make the Zha Jiang Mian just look like the picture. And you need green onion and the mushroom is optional. You don't have to have this. I just want to add it in. I'll just cut some onions. It's not many cutting involved. So firstly, you will boil your water because this is for noodles. Fried green onions. And then you just put ground beef in it. This is for 2 servings. Yeah, I don't like this pan. It's not long stick. It smells really good. I almost forgot my mushroom. Yeah, the mushroom is optional. You don't have to put it in. But I just want to add more nutrients in the dish. So I will stir fry it for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I will put the sauce. The sauce, it comes to small package. So one sauce is for 1 serving. This is for 2 servings, so I will put 2 bags of sauce. Okay, let's move here. So after the water is boiling, and we put 2 portion of noodles. This is 1 serving and another serving. Yeah, this noodle is really good. And we just wait for that. Let's move to here. We just add the seasoning. 1 bag of sauce. Second portion. It smells really, really good. Wow, I can't wait to eat it. I'm very hungry. So I made this to my husband this morning, and he really, really loved it. So I'm making it again for him for dinner. Okay, let's move to, and then put noodles in the pot and stir it and mix them together. You don't have to put it in the pot, but I want to put it in the pot because I just want to get more flavor of it. So what people usually do, they put it in the plates and to put the meat on the top of the noodles, and then you mix it yourself. But I just want to mix it in the pot, and we just mix it well in the pot. It'll taste really, really good, and it's very easy. It doesn't take too much time. It's really quick. It's very quick. I think I spent like less than 15 minutes. Yes, it's very quick. It's quick dinner. Quick dinner. Wow, it's just so good. It doesn't look pretty like the last video. My husband made the sushi span, but it tastes good. This tastes really good. Just mix it well, and almost done. I'm very hungry, so we just let them cook for a while. Okay, this dinner not just the noodles, it also has the salad. This salad has apple, tomato, nuts, and chicken, and some cabbage. Oh, it looks really good. I think my husband will love it. And here is the noodles. It doesn't look pretty, but it tastes really good. If you make it prettier, you could add some sesame seeds on the top. Then it looks prettier, right?
Smells good. What do we have? What do we have?
We have a salad and Zha Jiang Mian. Looks really good.
I want to eat it.
It tastes good. It tastes good. It tastes just like this morning. Okay, let's eat it now. Let's eat it. This is mine. Because it's 2 servings, so I put 2 bags of the sauce. I kind of feels like 1 bag is enough, or 1.5. So I think this morning might taste better than this. Are you hungry? Do you think it's enough?
Yeah, it's more than enough.
You want chicken? It has a chicken in the salad.
And apples.
Yes, you don't like apples? I'm very hungry. Hungry?
I'm moderately hungry. Nom, nom, nom. Nom,
Because I'm
nom,
afraid
nom,
this is
nom,
not
nom.
enough. Right now it's only...
I think it's going to be, it looks like a lot.
Do you want more sauce on it?
No, that's more than enough sauce.
Okay. If you can't finish everything, we'll put it back.
So did you hear about Nicolas Cage? He got married, and after 5 days, he's getting a divorce.
Who?
Nicolas Cage.
Who is him?
That actor we've been watching on TV. You said you liked him.
The one we watched just recently? Oh, I think I remembered.
You know, he's the actor that did some famous movies and then lost all his money, and now he's making all sorts of crappy movies.
He just got divorced recently?
Well, he got annulled. He went to Las Vegas. He's 55. He went to Las Vegas, got drunk, got married to a 34-year-old girl. So let me see. 44, 54, 55, 21-year difference. He got totally drunk, and then after they got married in Las Vegas, he says he wants a divorce, or he wants annulment so that it's not a divorce.
What is annulment?
When you say that the marriage should not be legal, it should just be erased, not even a divorce, you just say it's like you never got married.
I don't understand. Can you try the noodles?
Well, I'm unexpectedly enjoying the salad because I wasn't expecting to enjoy the salad. The salad's pretty good.
Yes, the salad is good.
I'm still thinking about that Nicolas Cage stuff from that movie we watched the other night. Remember that movie we watched where the woman could bring people back from the dead, but the woman had to die for a minute in order to bring them back, and then she brought back. She thought it was her daughter, but it was really Nicolas Cage's ex-wife that had died in a fire. You don't remember that movie?
No, I don't remember that movie.
Right you are. So this salad's pretty good. It's got red raisins. What are red raisins? Cranberries. Yep.
And it's got nuts.
And nuts. Candied nuts.
Yes, candy nuts.
And it's got blue cheese.
Yes.
And apples. There's an apple. And
Everything together tastes really good.
well, it's got some chicken. Oh, and we can't forget the lettuce. It's got lettuce.
I think these two mixed together taste good.
Okay, so what's the salad dressing? It sounds like a vinaigrette. I think it's a vinaigrette salad dressing. Yeah, I'm unexpectedly enjoying this salad. But it would be a shame to fill up on the salad, wouldn't it?
Yeah. This is the main food.
So let me try. So, how long ago did you cook this? It's already turned hard.
It's been 15 minutes since you come down here.
And there's no juices. The sauce is not saucy.
It has juices this morning.
Oh, more than this. It's still pretty good. Okay, so you put one package of.
I put 2 package. I saw this for 2 people, so I put 2 package. You think it's too much? Then next time I'll put still 1 package for 2 people.
I think you put a lot more noodles this time, though, right?
More noodles, yes.
So
Because this morning wasn't enough.
And then you came along and took my food from me. I think there was more meat this morning too.
You like more meat? I saved some more meat for it.
Okay. So what's the difference? Because it did not taste like Zha Jiang Mian this morning. It doesn't look like Zha Jiang Mian. It's not black enough.
It's not supposed to be black. The one you're talking about is in black sauce. This one is not in black sauce.
Zha Jiang Mian is always black.
No.
It looks like motor oil, spent motor oil.
No, that's the Korean style. The original one looks like this. Do you want more meat? I feel like my portion has more meat.
That's okay.
Is it too much for you?
I'll struggle, but I'll get it in. I'll eat all of it.
I think I cook it too long. You think this morning is better?
I really enjoyed this morning's. This morning's was more moist. This one's a little bit dry.
This morning was the first time I cooked it, and you like that one more than this one. And this morning was warmer. Turn it off.
Okay.